All right, producing this video on a Friday. All right, March 21 to 25. Okay, so if you're watching me live, how the heck are you? Hopefully you have a nice weekend planned. Okay, I'm producing a car show in a couple hours, so I can't wait to go check out all the cars and bikes and trucks, and we're doing it at a taco joint. So I'm going to have me some tacos for dinner, and in the meantime, have one of these Ghost Grape Energy drinks. I'm not even endorsed by this product, but they're just tasty. You got to admit, I don't have to fake to make, okay, when it comes down to promoting Live Good, because obviously the products are designed to, just make you feel good, maybe lose some weight, diabetes, you have high blood pressure, okay? Probably don't drink these, but there's no sugar and no calories in these bad boys. So cheers right now, and let's talk a little bit about Firestarter Friday, okay? Damn, these are good. Okay, no more Ghost energy drinks that are grape. Man, I look like an orange or a yellow exploded on my head, doesn't it? Okay, since it's Friday, we just did a live meeting. It's called Firestarter Friday, and I have no idea why it's called Firestarter. It's just a nickname that Live Good and the ownership came up with a couple years ago, because they like to do meetings 4 times a week, just themselves. And they're always noon Eastern, because we're based out of Jupiter, Florida. So they figure by noon, people are up in California. It's not too late to do a little meeting for those that are maybe on a lunch break. But nonetheless, these are recorded. So if you live, I don't know, Australia, or England, or Asia, don't worry, guys. You can go in your back office and watch these live Zooms or live meetings, or if you're on my YouTube channel, I record every single one of them. Okay. Monday is products, information. Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, they talk about all our products. Wednesday, Nodder, he does a nice meeting, about 30 minutes. Just tells you about the opportunity. You can send anyone to that live little chit chat with Nodder, or just take the recording, send it to people, and they can sit back and go, hey, you know what? I kind of dig the products and the opportunity. Thursday, all 4, Dr. Ryan and Lisa, Nodder, and our CEO, Ben Glinsky, they all come on for 1 hour, and they talk about the opportunity. Again, it's neutral, so anyone can watch it that's not a member or an affiliate yet. Send it to anybody, or take the recording, send it to someone through an email, maybe their inbox, or just go, guys, you know what? Please just watch. See what you think about Live Good. Make a decision, okay? Now, Friday is more behind the scenes, and it's my favorite because Ben and Nodder, Ryan and Lisa, they talk about, income, how much product sales have occurred just in the last 7 days, or maybe for the month, okay? How many people have signed up for the week or the month? What new products are coming out? How to use them, okay? Rank up to bank up. You'll hear that a lot, okay? If you get a couple people, all right, you're going to be bronze. And then to get to silver, you get 10 people, you get 100 people, gold, platinum, 500. If you get 2,500 people, you are a diamond. And that's awesome, because then you share in the whole company's profits every 30 days. So you always want to rank up and get people to sign up with you, okay? I really don't focus on the ranking up, because I like to just sign up one person at a time. I always do a video similar to this where I talk about the opportunity. I invite you to click my link that goes to a video already produced by our CEO, our main man, Ben Glinsky. He talks about everything in 5 minutes and 55 seconds. And I've signed up over 400. I've actually signed up 417, but I noticed the leaderboard puts me at 414, but I'm in top 30 out of the entire company, out of almost 2 million people. And I make it simple. Okay, let me just show you behind the scenes what I do, because every day someone's like, how do you do this? What are you doing to get signups? I'm stuck. All right, what I did is I bought business cards at Vistaprint for 20 bucks. This is the card I made. I picked the card design. I like how the font jumps off the card. You don't have to put any more information than a link that goes to this video I'm going to show you in just a sec. I bought joincory.com from GoDaddy, and then I have them forward to my capture page, this little link up here that I highlighted, and it's free at GoDaddy. So you get the domain for like 11 bucks. I think it's $11.95 with everything, tax and all that. And then for free, they forward to this exact page you're looking at. So people just go and they watch this video right in the middle. It's a YouTube video produced by Live Good. And if you want more information, you put your name and email here and click the orange rectangle. Or if you want to sign up, you're like, hey, you know what? I want to join as a member or an affiliate. I got $10 a month. I got $40 to be an affiliate, one-time fee. So go ahead and put your name, email, click this reserve my position now, and you're going to get an email. And you can get an email every day for 30 days if you want more information about LiveGood. If you want to opt out and you're just not interested, just go to the bottom of the email, opt out, and you're on your way. Okay? And if you want more information, it'll come every day. LiveGood will send your person on your behalf a nice email about LiveGood, 30 of them over the next 30 days. That's more than enough time for people to make a decision. Hey, I like the products. I think I'm going to buy the products. That's what I did first. A couple months goes by after buying Super Reds and Super Greens. I wanted to be an affiliate just to earn some money. See if I could earn like $100 because that's what I wanted to spend on the products. Well, I'm way over that now. Okay. I am very excited with my performance over the last 2 years because I joined right around March of 2023. And right now we're at the end, last week or so of March of 2025. So what I've learned, being a pretty darn good affiliate, okay, is that if I just make this simple and invite someone to click a link to watch that short little video of Ben Glinsky talking, I'm done. There's not much for me to do other than if I want to have like a little support group, a little tribe where we help each other out with advice, maybe how to send an email to somebody, how to maybe recruit through, let's say, social media, or you get on the phone, or just a business card. I still prefer just getting cheap business cards from Vistaprint. And on a street level, I never talk about LiveGood. I just say, go to joincory.com, guys. And you know what? If you like what you see, awesome, buy the products. And if you want to join, it's only $40. And awesome. All right, high five. But if you got $49.95 now, $50, you get 5 cents back. How's that? Bam. Then let's hurry and get you 2 people to sign up right away. That way I want you at the break-even point. All right, if you have $50 to spend, awesome, but let's get it back fast. We get paid every Thursday. And if you buy the products, you have 90 days to gobble them up. Even if the containers are empty, guys, send it back to Jupiter, Florida. 3 months, 90 days. No questions are asked. What a guarantee, right? Made me believe in this company even more. Okay, so question of the day. How do I just promote LiveGood in general? I just invite people to that link because Ben Glinsky in 5 minutes and 55 seconds will talk about the products, the opportunity, the pay plan, everything that you don't want to do because you're probably going to talk for 30 minutes to 60 minutes. People are going to zone out. And guess what? Anyone that you sign up, they're going to think they're going to do what you're doing. And they don't want to do that. Okay, if I can just say, guys, go to joincory.com. Thank you. And then let's say your name is Bob. Joinbobnow.com. Work with Bob. Work with Bob Thomas. There's a lot of little domains that are going to be probably available. And like I said, GoDaddy's about $11.99. I think that's out the door. I had to buy a domain about 2 weeks ago. So for less than $12, you have your own domain. You can get business cards for $20. Join for $49.95 now. You are now an affiliate for life. All you got to do is pay $10 a month. And if you have $99.95, guess what? You can get 12 months for the price of 10. And I'd say probably 90% of people that join me, they just sign up for the year and get it done. Then they focus on getting good at just being entertaining or fun or compelling, maybe a little sexy. Okay, whatever it takes to get people to click that link just to watch the video. And within 15 seconds, people know if they're interested as a member or an affiliate. That's what I like. You're not in someone's living room. You're not bugging people, friends, family at a party. Okay, you're not knocking on doors unsolicited where people are like, get off my damn yard, get off my yard, get out of here. Then they throw newspapers at you. You don't want that happening unless you're into that. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, I don't mind. I'm not shy. Cory@CoryDraper.com. That's how you can get a hold of me on my email. Okay, find me on Facebook, inbox me, and you can tell I got about 3,800 videos, all leading right directly to this cool company called LiveGood, okay? You can also comment below the video, and I'll get it, okay? All right, guys, peace and love. It's Friday now, so I'm going to have me a little lunch and head off to a car show. All right, you have a good weekend, and get a hold of me if I can help you. Thanks, guys.